Are you looking for the best welding machines for welders? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best welders machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. TIG Welder, HF-TIG/stick/arc welder. If you are looking for a portable machine that works on 110 vac or 230 vac, S7 TIG welder will be your best trait. The inverter frequency of this TIG welder is up to 100 kHz. It is specially designed to deliver flawless weld to gain optimum welding performance. Therefore, this TIG machine has a high duty cycle of 85%, which is excellent. The most noteworthy aspect of this welder is that it is capable of performing both TIG and arc welding. Therefore, it can join any metal. With this welder, you can weld 0.3 to 4.8 mm thick stainless steel, alloy steel, copper alloys, thin metal, and other non-ferrous metals. On the other hand, you can weld 15 to 42 mm thick metal if you perform arc welding. Now, let's move on to its setup. It includes every attachment like a TIG torch, solid wire, earth clamps, electrode holder, and so on. So, you don't need to hassle to assemble the unit. Portability is a notable feature of this welder. It comes with a handle to let you carry it wherever you go, and allow you to complete remote welding projects. At number 2. DEKOPRO 110/220 VMMA ARC Welder. DEKOPRO 110/220 VMMA welder will be your go-to welding machine for multi-use. The MMA welder is capable of welding mild steel, thicker steel, cast iron, aluminum, and other metals. You can run this welder on 110V or 220 volts. Surprisingly, it just performs like a $3,000 welder without cutting the machine off. With this product, you will have the best welding performance in a dusty environment. You will be able to seamlessly weld approximately 300 feet of 1/8 inch 6011 filler rod on 220V at 90 amps. The MMA welder features advanced IGBT inverter technology. It adjusts the current to offer stable current output. On the one hand, its unique welding mode increases welder reliability. On the other hand, all these aspects enhance workflow efficiency. The work clamps it includes are functional and hold the electrode and working piece firmly. As a result, you can manipulate the electrode with ease for an effortless welding operation. To clean the welding remnants, it comes with a brush to brush away the residue. When it comes to portability, you can hardly find a serious welder that can beat it. This welder features a handle, and its compact design makes it a breeze to carry. Indeed, you can take it wherever you go and where you need it. At number 3. Primeweld TIG 225x225 amp AC DC TIG/stick welder. Primeweld TIG 225X is the best TIG welding machine on this list. It features 225 amps of AC/DC welding with a stick function. So, whether you are a DIYer or a professional, you can weld a wide range of materials. The performance you will get on 110V and 220V is the same. This welder provides 200 HRTZ on the pulse and AC frequencies. In return, you don't need to hassle to weld 1/4 aluminum and 3/8 mild steel. Therefore, this welder is also capable of welding 7018, 6013. Like other welders, it also uses IGBT technology. It means it offers a reliable and stable electrical current to ensure top-class welding performance. It's time to talk about its construction. Every part of the unit is well made and will last for a long time. The flow meter it includes is also sturdy and performs as it should be. This unit comes with a complete and well-made torch setup. It includes a CK17 torch head, CK flex tubing, and CK DINS connector. Lastly, let's check how easy it is to install the unit. The manufacturer provides a graphics-based installation guide. Following the guide, you can assemble the machine with ease. At number 4. Forney Easy Weld Welder for home use. Do you look for welder for home use that lets you perform the MIG, DC, TIG, and stick welding? Then, Forney Easy Weld is what you are searching for. The unit runs on 120V, which makes it ideal for use anywhere. It has 3 position switches to change processes between MIG, TIG, and stick. Generally, this is specially designed to perform flux core welding. However, it has a separate dial or switches to convert the machine for performing MIG welding. You can weld up to 1/4 inch mild steel at 140 amps. How do you know if your welding boots are good enough? Check out these top-rated reviews. On the other hand, you can also form a TIG welding. Regarding this, you should invest in the appropriate torch, gas regulator, hose, and other accessories, as the unit doesn't include those stuff. When it comes to stick welding, the Forney Easy Weld is just what you need. It includes a stinger and ground clamp for performing this weld process. This Forney Easy Welder uses metal construction to make the entire body, so it will support you for years to come. At number 5. YESWELDER Digital Gas MIG 205 DS Welder. The YESWELDER's MIG 205 DS Welder is another versatile product in our top picks. It can be used for various welding procedures, including stick, MIG, and TIG welds. Moreover, it is available at a reasonable price. The dual-voltage synergic welder features IGBT inverter technology. Due to this welder provides a stable current output at a lower voltage. You can use this for repairing automotive components. With 120V input, this welder lets you weld 3/16 inch thick steel. On the other hand, it efficiently welds a 1/4 inch thick steel with 240V input. The noteworthy feature of this welder we spot out is its synergic control. Because of this feature, the welder automatically set the welding modes depending on the material thickness. This package includes a MIG gun, an electrode holder, gas regulator, earth clamps, and others for effortless installation. However, you need to spend extra bucks to get the TIG torch. Thus, this welder also comes with an automatic protection function that protects you and the weld pool from overheating and overvoltage. At number 6. Lotus LTP DC 2000D Cold Welding Machine. DC TIG welding, stick welding, and plasma cutter. What if you could perform all of these 3 welding processes on one machine? Lotus LTP DC 200D Welder will make your dream a reality. The LTP DC 200D has 3 useful tools in a single machine. With its 50A pilot arc plasma cutter, you can cut different types of metal up to 1/2 inch in thickness. It helps you cut through rusty, rough, and painted surfaces without producing a pile of slag. On the other hand, you can operate both stick and TIG welding from 15 to 20 amperage. The welder lets you form quality TIG and stick welding on stainless steel, or other thinner gauge materials. The only drawback to this unit, the amperage control for the welding heat does not include a foot pedal, and aluminum cannot be welded with this multi-purpose welder. You can operate this unit on 110 and 220 volts. But we recommend you to run on 220V to avoid any electrical accidents. Furthermore, the welder is ideally suited for professional use. At number 7. Miller Electric Welding Machine for Aluminum. Since Miller Electric was bought out by Illinois Tool Works, Miller has become one of the most trusted welder brands around. And this Miller MIG welder maintains that reputation by providing quality welding performance. The Millermatic 211 allows you to perform 2 welding processes: flux core wire and MIG. With this Miller welder, you can weld on aluminum, steel, and mild steel. All of the welders we reviewed on this can weld steel, metal, others except aluminum. But the Miller Electric welder will not disappoint you. You can weld 18 GA to 3/8 inch thick aluminum in a single phase with this welder. Indeed, it is the great machine for aluminum. Also, it lets you weld on stainless steel and mild steel. It comes with an ergonomic handle to carry the little unit wherever you go. And you can run the welder on 120-240 VAC. At number 8. Isab Portable Welding Machine. At the bottom of the list, we bring ESAB Rebel EMP215 IC for novice and professional welders. It will be your go-to welder if you look for a versatile and innovative welder that requires minimum effort to run. There are almost any welding processes you can do with it, including MIG, stick, flux cord, and lift TIG welding. So when it's time to weld, the Isab Rebel 215 IC will be ready. The innovative feature of this welder is MIG or Smart MIG mode. Due to this feature, it can track the welding process you perform and the technique you use and store them in its memory. Next, it uses the stored data to learn about your welding style and adapt with your welding technique to provide a steady arc and repeatable welds. Indeed, it will double the productivity of an experienced welder and save the time of beginners who just wet their feet into welding. The body of this unit uses steel as its construction to ensure longevity and portability, as steel is lightweight. Isab manufactures thermally protected welders that consumes less power. Plus, its 5-hand roll cage design makes it super portable. So, you can carry it anywhere.